Hi guys, it is time to work on our Abandoning Perfection journal again. I have a plan. I don't know how much I'll get to, but we're gonna see what'll happen. At least I have sort of a plan. The first thing I'm gonna do is glue in a piece of painty paper that is unfinished. This is some painty paper. It's just got a base layer on it. It's unfinished, and that prompt tells me that I am supposed to glue in this painty paper and leave it that way. So I guess that's where I'm going to put it in, right there in the middle, I think. And I'm going to use this piece of it. So, I need to cut it, and I forgot how big these pages are. About 10 3/4 by about 4 1/4. 10 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I don't see any reason why I can't use my cutting. Okay, next up on the agenda is to take an eraser and erase holes in your paper. Now, because I want to protect the page underneath it, I am going to use my little cutting mat, and it says to erase holes all the way through your paper. We'll see if I can do that. Oh, that's going to take a while, guys. Okay, I'm going to be a while at this, so I will just work on this quietly so I can cut some of it out. Just so you know, I'm going to, it's going to take a bit to erase all the way through this paper. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe we could spray it with a little water, and maybe that will help it. Oh yes, that will help it. Okay, so just so you know, erasing holes through your paper might take a bit. So to speed it up, I'm going to dampen the paper a little bit. Yeah. Or dampen your sponge. Or not your sponge, dampen your eraser. Let's see. Yeah. Dampen your eraser a little bit. It will make that job a little easier. Alrighty. Forgot to put the lid back on my glue. Now, it says to use an eraser to make holes. That's what I did. I made holes all the way through my paper. Now I'm going to use dots from my hole punch, which I have to make dots from my hole punch, and I'm going to use them on my page. Oh, this is... We'll have to see if we have enough. I don't think so, but we'll stop right there and use them, and then, because what I want to do is try to make a little border on my page here. Okay, guys, I'll tell you what, that plan was nice and fiddly. Let's see, I need a piece of wax paper, and I don't have a piece. That's interesting. Oh, there's a piece, right. And I have one more thing I want to do today before I stop. So far, what I have done is I've used a piece of painty paper, unfinished painty paper, and put it on the page and leave it that way. So that has to be left just like that. I've used an eraser to erase holes in my page. Now, I did dampen my eraser some because I found it was going to take forever. So I just dampened the edge of the eraser and it went right through the page. Left my lovely little holes in it. And then it said to use the dots from my hole punch. It just says use the dots from your hole punch. So that is what I have done. But now, the next prompt I want to do is to choose a word and fill a page with that one word. And this is the page I want to use to do that with. And I am going to just handwrite it on here over and over and over again. So okay, guys, I'm going to leave it just like that. I really like this page. Now let's put this one right here. I do. I like how that came out. And I know it said fill it, but I think it's full. And I like this image. So I'm going to leave it just like that. So today we worked on prompt 17, which was to add a piece of unfinished painty paper to a page and leave it like that. We did dots from a hole punch. We erased holes all the way through a page. And we took one word and filled a page with it. So those are my prompts for today. They were 17, 48, 64, and 70. And I will get them on my little list here in a minute. I don't need you to watch to do that. So let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity book. And let's see what it says. Without craft, art remains private. Without art, craft is merely hack work. Don't know about that, but Joyce Carol Oates. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.